It's the hairline for me, really. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this 360 lace frontal wig by Superbwig. The hair is actually 14 inches long and it came in this gorgeous packaging right there. The hair comes with an elastic band, and hair band, a wig cap, and the hair looks nice. So straight out of the box, the curls are popping. I showed you guys how to install this hair, like a pro and also like a beginner, and all the styles you can achieve wearing a 360 lace frontal wig at the same time as wearing, just like wearing a full lace wig, which in my opinion is more affordable. So that's the construction of the cap, guys. It's glueless. Look at the lace, guys. Look at the hairline. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also comes with an adjustable elastic band, meaning you don't need any glue or gel to secure your hair. The hair is actually 14 inches long, and it's definitely true to length in my opinion. So I showed you guys how I customize my 360 lace frontal wig by first cutting off the hair tab, and bear in mind that you need to leave the lace at the back the way it is. If you're installing your hair by yourself, please just follow these simple easy steps and you won't you won't regret it, because you definitely need your lace at the back, like so. Did you see that? Yeah, you need to leave your lace at the back like that. Don't cut it before installing it. Install the hair before cutting the lace. That's the easiest way to go about it, the back of this wig. So yeah, all I'm just showing is just the normal way, easy steps to secure the front. I applied the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace, and then waited for the glue to turn invisible, then placed the lace on the areas where I actually applied the glue. So I did the same thing on the other side as well, but for my back, because I didn't see my back, I couldn't use any glue because I don't want to mess up my hair at the back. So the easiest way for me to secure my hair at the back is by using the got2b glue. You can use any any glue or whatever you decide to use, but the easiest one for me is using the got2b glue. So all I did was just bring down the lace of the wig. You can customize the back of the wig if you like, but I did pluck tiny bits of the back of the wig before securing it. So I pushed the hair down and then sprayed the got2b on the lace wig, and then on the lace of the wig, and then waited for it to dry and then cut off the excess lace. So always make sure you leave the lace, don't be tempted to cut the lace first because you can't see your back. You can just imagine. Look at that, right? Looks so natural, just like wearing a full lace. That's the side, guys. Very neat, very clean, and yeah, I love the hairline of this hair. It's giving scalp, it's giving my hair, but better, or but longer, I mean. So yeah, you can actually go for any style of your choice. You can pat the hair anywhere you like. As I said, I showed you guys these styles in a hurry because I don't want this video to be too long, but you can use the idea of this styles and perfect it, but I just showed you in a hurry so you can take your time to achieve the same look. But yeah, it's just giving you the idea of how to style your 360 lace frontal wig, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy full lace wig. 360 lace frontal wig is the way to go, especially the one from the Superbwig, because it looks so natural and the curls are popping. Look at that, guys. I love the curls of this hair, and the quality of this hair is just fantastic. The hair did not shed. I'm still wearing it. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. I love this hair, and I love the fact that it's very affordable. You don't have to spend you know, or break the bank to achieve this gorgeous curls. Look at that. Look at that. I am loving it. So I decided to use foundation or powder on my parts. It doesn't matter, you don't have to do that, but yeah, I did that. Another style, guys. Another style. Very, very easy. Like, look at that. Hair is 14 inches long, and as you guys can tell, it's definitely true to length. Look at that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Superbwigs lace frontal wig right here. I am loving this, guys. Look at that, guys. The curls are popping straight out of the box. Immediately I opened the box, I was like, wow, the curls are popping. I'm going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the hairline of this hair, guys. The hairline of this hair is just amazing. I love their newly improved hairline. It's giving me life, it's giving me scalp, and it's giving me my hair but longer vibe. I am loving this. Where is the lace? Show me the lace. The hairline is the most amazing thing I love about this hair. Look at that. You don't have to pluck your hairline. This hair is definitely beginner friendly. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. It's their newly improved hairline. Compared to normal wigs, guys, you have to plug them, you have to bleach them, you have to do all sorts. But with this wig, it's very, very different because it's their newly improved hairline. This hairline was actually untied, meaning it takes longer, you know, to make this hairline to look natural, that you don't have to pluck it or anything whatsoever. The hairline was untied, meaning you would barely see the knots. Knots are untied. Gives it that natural look, if that makes sense. Look at that, guys. I love the hairline of this wig, and I love the fact that it's beginner friendly. You don't need to pluck it, you don't need to bleach it, you don't need to do anything at all because everything has been done for you straight from the box. The thing I love about this wig is the fact that the construction of the wig is actually glueless, so you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. You can use the elastic band included in the construction of the cap to secure your hair, or you can also use the elastic strap and the comb in the cap to install your hair. So that for me is just amazing. Love their new clean hairline. It's so clean. It gives that natural vibe look to my hair. The thing I love about this wig is the lace, guys. The lace of this wig is super duper soft and very easy to work with. It's melted into my skin like what lace is. In real life, you would have thought that my hair grew overnight. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that it's a 360 lace frontal wig, meaning you can actually put it up like ponytail. You don't have to worry about, you know, your hair coming out or anything of such, compared to a lace frontal wig, and also compared to a full lace wig, which you'll be paying more, you know, just to have your hair up. In my opinion, I actually believe 360 lace frontal wig is the best option for you to get that natural looking up top bun, and you know, without paying extra for the full lace wig or going for lace frontal where your hair would be showing at the back of the head. So yeah, I am loving the 360 lace frontal wig right here. And I love about the hair is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of the hair is amazing. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. As you guys can tell, the hair is dried, but the curls are still popping just like it was when it was wet. Look at that. I love the curls of the hair. The curl pattern is so beautiful. It's giving that my natural hair but longer vibe. I am in love with this. Look at that. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling, and the hair is really full and very voluminous. If you guys don't know Superbwigs, they are a hair company that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have 360 lace frontal wig, and they have colored wig as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you will definitely find something for you and your loved ones. I really recommend this hair. Absolutely, I would definitely recommend Superb hair wig because
I am loving this. I am loving what I'm seeing in the mirror, guys. I am loving it. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. In terms of their shipping, 4 days to get in the UK, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. In terms of the airline of the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. How easy it is to install the hair is definitely a plus for me. In terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely a plus for me. And I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Superbwigs. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.